In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a login page for your membership portal, and then we're going to move on to creating the actual membership portal itself. So we need somewhere for the customers to go to get into the membership portal, the page that you send them to. So what we do is we go to My Pages over here within Kartra from the dashboard. You click on Page over here. Now the best thing, or one of the best things about Kartra is they've got hundreds of expertly designed templates that have been created to just gel well with customers, to be presented well, to look professional. So we're going to go down here to membership login, and let's go for this one here. Now you can alter all of the elements on these as well, but this is just to get you started quickly and up and running. All right, so we want to go select launch builder. We'll call it membership login because I will use this. Now, it's handy to organize things by category and site. So we'll go into manage my categories. We'll call this one tutorials. We'll add that down there. Click done. Then we want to give the site a name. We'll have to select tutorials here. And then we're going to name the site. Now we're just going to add that. There's no pages in this site yet because that's what we're creating. Now that's done. And give that a minute, that will show up. Here we are. Don't worry about this down here at this point. You don't have any global elements yet. This is for things like pixels and SEO parameters and things like that. For now, we're going to focus on just getting this login page done. Okay, now you can run through the Kartra tutorial here. Go through that in your own time. It's quite valuable though. Definitely take in as much information as you can. And this is another great feature about Kartra. You're handheld basically all the way through. So you really don't have any excuses why this can't work. Okay, now in order to do this, you may have your logos ready. You may need to make them. Within my membership portal that you get access to here, I've got some tutorials on how to create your own logos, or at least how to create your own design work within Canva. So I've already got a logo ready to go. So I'm going to upload this now. So you click on image, you click edit, upload image. Then you hit select, confirm, and then you always need to hit apply. Now if you want any SEO parameters in there, you can enter the alt tag here. But Kartra is not really designed for SEO, so that's something to take into account. Now you can edit things like the size of it. A lot of this you will hover over elements, and then you'll be presented with those options. So up here, resize, you can bring that down to 50%. I'm going to leave that at the size that it is, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this style over here to have far less of a margin underneath. So if I bring that down to 0, let's have a look at what that looks like. Remember, you always need to hit apply. Yeah, I think that looks a little better. In fact, I might just add a little bit extra. So maybe give it 20 pixels. Yep. Get rid of that. And I don't need this here. You can add this if you want. I don't need that. Now I have a plugin for Chrome called Color Picker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the color of my logo just to get a little bit of congruency here. I'm going to make a couple of alterations here, and you'll be able to see how easy this is. So now I've got that color up here. You can just get this from the Chrome store. It's called Pick Color from Web Page or Color Picker. And we're going to change the color of this button and make a couple of quick alterations just because I want this to look better. So get in a background color, paste that in, and then you hit apply. And then that's got a bit more congruency. Now here in the background, if we click edit style, we can alter that color because I think that it's just a little bit dark. So we can bring it up to here. Now bear in mind that we're probably going to have to change the, well, we are definitely going to have to change the color of the font because you can barely see that now, but that's also quite simple. Go to text, select the text, go up here to color, and just change it to black. Pretty easy. Now it's got no color on this one, so let's give this make it black. It's transparent, so you need to move this up. There we go. Now, not a member will take them to a sign up page that you can set up as well, which I'll also show you how to set up in a couple of minutes. So that's that done. Let's go publish live. You know, I'm going to change the background of this. I don't like it being totally white. We'll make it a bit grayer. Yeah, it doesn't look great, but it looks better. Hit publish live. Now here where you've got get the page link, you can click edit over here and you can manage your custom domains. This is why it's so important to select the right name for your business when you sign up for Kartra. Because I've selected marketingacademy.kartra.com because I don't need to now go and integrate a URL, even though I can. And I will do a tutorial on how to do that as well. So let's call this membership login. Let's spell it correctly even. Membership login. And then that's done. Okay, so that's how you do a membership login page. In the next video, I'll show you how to make the sales page for the membership portal.